This is our dual lacquer machine, which can put the lacquer on the plating zipper surface. Then it can protect the plating color. Like, 点一下看看 it's very shiny. 点一下吧，停止。So now let's start and see the shiny result. So it's very shiny, which with the lacquer on the surface already. Because it's online, so maybe cannot see the lacquer clearly because under the line. But in picture, it's very shiny. Okay. So now let's continue to see. So for our lacquer, we made at least 4 wheel. One side 2 wheel, another side another 2 wheel. Okay. This is our 12 strong lacquer, which can bear strong washing testing. This is our one chamber model. Now we have the new chamber, 2 chambers model already. The newest model is with 2 chambers. This machine is already about 8 years already. This machine. So if you are interested to get more information about our QLQ lacquer machine, you're welcome to contact us. Thank you.